Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Star Wars video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Darth Vader. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Darth Vader, we're going to begin up here and we're going to start with the helmet. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw an oval shape for an eye. I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another oval shape for an eye right here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over the eye and it's going to come down here. And I'll do the same thing here. We're going to draw right over the eye and we're going to come down. Next, we want to connect this little line. And we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to go over, and come down. Nice and tall for like a tall, skinny rectangle, because his helmet is pretty tall. Starting here, I'm going to draw another one of these little lines that come over here. And we'll make another one right here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and it's going to go down. And over here we'll do the same thing. We're going to go out and then go down right into that line. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, and then up. Then starting right here, we want to make a line that's going to come down, and then another one over here to kind of form the mouth part of the helmet. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over and connect to here. And I'm going to add a circular shape right here, a circular shape over here, and then one over here. We'll draw a line that comes up to here, one that comes down to here, and then one right here. Now we just want to add some little lines inside of here. Now, starting right up here by the eyes, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and then another one that comes down here. And I'm going to take these lines down a little farther and connect them. So bring them down a little farther and connect them. Next, I want to make a line that's going to curve up here, and one that's going to curve right up here to the mask. Now, right underneath the eyes, I'm going to make a line right here, and then a line right here. And we're going to make a line that comes down here, and a line that comes down here, for a little bit of detail in there. Now, starting right here, we're going to make the neck, so I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up for a small neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out on each side. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to form out the body. When I get to here, we'll make a little line that comes across. We'll go down a little farther on each side, and we'll make another line that's going to come across here to connect it. Now, starting here, we want to make the legs. I'll start by making a line that's going to come out and then down. And another one here, we're going to go out and down. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up here on each side. It's going to go up and down. Next, I'm going to bring this over to here. And I will bring this one right over to here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to here, and a line that's going to come up here. And I want to connect them here. Next, we're going to start by drawing a line that comes to here, a line that comes to here. It's going to kind of look like he's wearing underwear for a minute. And we want to make a line that's going to go to here, and a line that's going to come to here. We want to make a little line that comes across for the feet, and one here just kind of form those boots. Now, starting right here, we want to make the arms. I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and it's going to come down here. Go a little bit farther down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go around, and it's going to come up to here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and around. Another one here. And one more right here. We'll do about 4 fingers. Right here we'll make a line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down. And we'll go up, over, and then connect to here. Make a long line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and come right back up here. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come over to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to go down, and then come back. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve around and down. Another one's going to go out, and it's going to come back. And one more right here that does the same. Make a small curved line for the hand, and then a line that goes over and then back to the body. Now we want to add his big cape onto here. So I'm just going to start right up here by the helmet, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to the hand, and I'll do one that's going to come down to the arm. I'll jump over the arm, and I'm going to go down and over to the foot. I'll draw right between the foot, and then we're just going to jump out, and I'm going to bring it up to here. Next, I'll make another little line that comes down on each side. Now, right inside of here, we're going to add some details. So we'll make 2 little lines for his belt buckle. And then right above here, we're going to make a line that goes up. It's going to go over and down like this. We want to add another square shape inside of here. And then we're going to add a couple little different rectangle shapes in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here, and then it's going to come up. I'm going to make 2 lines that come up to his neck, 2 lines here, and 2 lines over here. Starting here, we want to add a little curved line for his glove and another one here for his glove. Then for some detail on his pants, we're going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Then I'll just add another little line right across the top of his boots. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon Darth Vader. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.